Zeekr 007GT has been officially launched in China with a starting price of 202,900 yuan. On April 15, 2025, the new model Zeekr 007GT of the Zeekr brand was officially launched. A total of 3 models are available, and the official guide price range is 202,900 to 232,900 yuan. The new car is built on Zeekr's wide pure electric architecture and is positioned as a technological hunting trophy. The entire series is equipped with laser radar, air suspension and high-end intelligent driving system as standard. 2 different power options are offered, single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor four-wheel drive. CLTC cruising range is up to 825 kilometers. The new member of the Zeekr Shooting Brake family, Zeekr 007GT, is positioned as a technological shooting brake coupe and enters the market with the concept of one car covering 4 cars, filling the gap in the 200,000 to 300,000 shooting brake market. The new car is built on the wide architecture independently developed by Zeekr. The body dimensions of the vehicle are 4,864 by 1,900 by 1,460 mm, air suspension version, and the wheelbase is 2,925 mm. Flexible control and spacious space opportunities are considered with the ultra-high room ratio design of 83.5%. Its appearance continues the classic genes of Zeekr 001. The 21 degrees shooting line summarizes the slim body proportions. The 69 degrees hatchback trunk lid and the double rear wing with suspension, swallowtail spoiler plus ducktail fixed wing, strengthen the sporty stance. The roof rack and hidden electric door handles take both practicality and technology into consideration. The interior adopts the luxury, technology-filled design concept. 1.42 square meters suede seats, micro velvet roof lining, GT-specific logo and straps and other details highlight the luxurious texture. The 5-screen interactive system, including the 15.4-inch central control display, 35.5-inch AR HUD, instrument cluster and rear dual-pad interface, creates an immersive interactive experience. In terms of performance, the Zeekr 007GT offers 2 power options: rear-wheel drive single-motor, 310 kilowatts, and dual-motor four-wheel drive, maximum power 475 kilowatts, torque 710 Nm. The four-wheel drive version accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.95 seconds, standard operating conditions, and has a braking distance of 34.2 meters per 100 kilometers. The double wishbone front suspension plus 5-link rear suspension, 50-50 axle load ratio and FR supercar level adjustment take into account both track-level road holding and everyday comfort. The entire series is equipped with air suspension plus CCD electromagnetic vibration reduction system as standard, and has 5-stage height adjustment, maximum ground clearance 169 mm, 15.9 degrees approach angle, 20 degrees departure angle support, and achieves all-terrain capability in both urban and wild areas with its intelligent 4-wheel drive system and maximum climbing gradient of 70%. When it comes to battery life, the CLTC range of the 100 kWh Kirin battery version is 825 km. The 800V high-voltage architecture, combined with our own self-built charging stack network, can achieve 10% to 80% energy charging in 10.5 minutes. In terms of intelligent configuration, the new vehicle is equipped with Qualcomm 8295 chip and Zeekr Qianli Haohan intelligent driving H7 solution. The entire series is equipped with laser radar, dual Orinex chip and 31 sensing hardware as standard. It supports mapless city NZP, parking lot navigation, industry-leading, and mechanical parking lot exit and parking, industry-only. AI EVA voice assistant supports innovative functions such as free dialogue and atmosphere master in the entire cabin, further lowering the threshold of human-vehicle interaction. For female users, Zeekr 007GT is available in purple and blood red. It is equipped with a new generation EC photosensitive roof window, UV insulation rate 99.9%, a soft light makeup mirror, intelligent B-pillar face recognition unlocking, to protect the manicure, and seat heating/ventilation/massage functions. The turning radius of 5.65 meters and the 4-way parking system make driving easier.